Guys, today I will show you very easy Onam drawing. Onam is the harvest festival celebrated in the state of Kerala to remember King Mahabali. And this will be our topic for today's drawing. For your convenience, I have split this drawing into two parts. In the first part, in today's drawing, I will show you the entire line drawing of King Mahabali and the elements which is related to Onam festival. And the second part, I will show you the coloring of the rest of the drawing. So guys, please enjoy this drawing with me, and if you are new to this channel, then you can subscribe this channel, and if you subscribe this channel, then don't forget to hit the bell icon. I hope this channel will be helpful for you in the coming future. So guys, chalo without any further delay, आज का drawing start करते हैं. And one more thing, if you want to see the very basic drawing from us, then you can visit our another channel which is RangCanvas Digistars art room. You can find the link in the YouTube description box below. On that channel we are showing very easy step-by-step drawing for you guys, which is related to school project, which is related to competition and all. So guys, without any further delay, abhi finally drawing start karte hain. Guys, you can see this is my painting pad, and you can see there is a couple of painting. You can find those painting links and paintings video on our YouTube channel. Right now I have started drawing and I am using Pentel pencil, guys. You can find the pencil on Amazon, Flipkart, or you can get the pencil from your nearest stationery or bookstores. Now I am defining the proportion of body proportion of King Mahabali. Guys, proportion defining is very important. I am telling you in my every video that proportion defining at the first, when you are starting your pencil drawing, proportion defining is very important, because if you don't define the proportion, then your drawing might not be accurate. Sometimes it will be bigger of the actual size, sometimes it can be smaller than you want. So right now I am defining the banana leaf and all. Guys, the drawing I am showing you, there is a King Mahabali pictures, the Kerala boat, sun rays, banana leaves and lotus. All the elements is related to Onam festivals. Right now I have started detailed drawing. You can see I am doing the moustache part and the leaf part, guys. As I am showing you every detail step by step, guys, you have to follow the way I am showing you. Guys, you please don't skip this video. If you skip this video, you will learn nothing. What you need the static image, right? You will get the static image from our website, or you can find the link from this YouTube description box of this video. See, right now I am drawing the dress portion and the hand portion. After that I will draw the outline with the black ink pen. Guys, this will be the pen I am going to use, that is Uni-Ball pen and Uni-Ball air pen. If you don't have that kind of pen, then you can use any other brand, whatever pen you have, but make sure that has to be waterproof or fade proof. Don't use sketch pen instead of this pen, but you can use permanent marker, basically CD marker, thin permanent marker if you have that. From my knowledge, that is also waterproof, what I am guessing right now. Now I am drawing the crown portion. Guys, see, first what I have done, I have defined the proportion of this video. Then I have right now I am drawing the detailed drawing. Once I done the detailed drawing, then I will add outline with the help of black pen, basically, and that is waterproof. Again I am saying you. See, right now I am drawing the lotus part, guys. If you feel that this video is little fast, then you can slow down the speed. Then please mute the voiceover, otherwise it will be a horrible experience for you. See, now right now I am doing the banana leaf on the other side. See, this video is very easy. If you are a beginner, then please watch this video step by step and follow my voiceover. I am hoping that you can do that easily. Again, I am saying, if you follow my every step by step. Now I am doing the sun rays part. Now I have started outline drawing with the help of Uni-Ball pen. This is Uni-Ball pen, guys. Right now I am using 0.2. The pen I will be using in this painting, that is 0.2, 0.1, 0.5. If you don't have this type of numbers pen, then you can use permanent mark, and that has to be waterproof. Guys, if you feel that we are doing good job and this kind of a video, or the way we are showing the video for your convenience in our channel, that will be helpful for you in future, then you can subscribe this channel if you want, guys. Or if you want to see the very basic drawing from us, then you can visit RangCanvas Digistars art room, which is our another channel which is dedicatedly for the beginners level painters or beginners level learners. We are showing very easy step by step on that channel. You can find competition level drawing, you can find the subject drawing. This channel is dedicated for beginners level painter. If you are a very beginners level painter or learner or student, then I hope that channel will be helpful for you as well. Right now I am doing the umbrella, which is holded by King Mahabali. See, my drawing is motamoti complete. On the second part, guys, I will show you the coloring, and please note that, guys, this drawing will be, the way I will show you the painting, basically watercolor painting, that will be very easy. So if you are a beginner, then you can also draw this painting. This will be a wet on dry painting. Now my drawing is complete. If you feel that this will be helpful for you, then please like or share this video, and you can subscribe this channel as well. Guys, my today's drawing is complete. The first part drawing is complete. I will back very soon with the second part. Till then, watch RangCanvas and enjoy our video. See you on the another video. Bye bye.